Hey data learners, in this video we are going to learn how to load data in Python and inspection of the data. Okay, let's go to our VS Code. You can use Jupyter Notebook. Okay, whenever you are so you can load your data into Python using these commands. We have different commands. Using that we can load our data. Okay, so whenever you are working with a Jupyter Notebook, you have to write this command first to install pandas. Then you can write import panda as pd. So now pandas is imported. Okay, let me run this file. Next is how to read your file. For that we have a command panda read CSV. Okay, inside parenthesis we need to provide in double quotation the file path. So the file is in a same directory. Here we can see churn modeling. That is why I didn't added anything here. If it is in different directory, I'm going to show you how you can read your file. If I run df, now you can see in churn analysis, these are my data sets present. Okay, now let's see if my file is in different directory. For example, I wanted an Excel file and that is in different directory in data. Excel file. Okay, this customer call list. Copy this path. Now here I need to paste in. So whenever you are writing your path, that should be encloses with quotation. Okay, and I'm going to give it a name df2. So this is my variable which contains this data. Now if I run this, you will see an error is generated. Why? Because this colon and the bar are there. We cannot read that file like that. So here I need to give R. After opening this parenthesis, I need to write R and then the path name. Now if I hit enter, you will see the data will be present here. See, different cell. Which data cell I call? Okay, phone number, customer ID, first name, last name, phone number. Okay, I taken different data set. So here I have customer ID, first name, last name, phone number, address, same. Then what is my df contain? Okay, my df has customer ID, surname, credit score, and df2 data is this. Okay, now let's see how to inspect your data. For that we have different functions. For example, df head dot head. That shows you first rows. Tail function that shows you the last few rows. Info function tells you about the information about the data you have taken for analysis or manipulation. Describe that gives you quick stats like mean, max, minimum, okay, and count. Shape is attribute which shows you the number of rows and columns present in this particular file, and the columns is a list of column name. Data type which returns you the type of each column. Okay, let's see one by one. df1 I have different data. If I hit enter this, now you will see this is first 5 rows. Okay, if I wanted to see first 15 rows, so you can mention here the number and pandas shows you first 15 rows. Next, df.tail. If I wanted to see last 5 rows, df.tail by default shows the last 5 rows. If I wanted to see last 20 rows, then df tail, and we need to specify the number of the rows I wanted to see. df describe will return you the stats like count, mean, standard deviation, and maximum minimum of your data set. Okay, then we have some attribute. For example, df.shape that returns the shape of your data set, 10,000 rows and 14 columns. Df columns, so this will return the column name. So I have one more data set, df2 dot column. Let me check that name once again, df2. Okay, this will return the column of this value. Okay, now I wanted to see both columns. So first thing I need to put it in print statement. Okay, and the last row of code will execute it as this. Now you can see this is my first data set and this is my second data set columns. Now df.d type, just give, I will comment these things, that will return the data type of each column. df.info is a function which returns the information about the file, the number of rows present and the column name, whether the column have null values or not, and the data type of each column and the memory uses. Let's see the info of another data set. Info is a function, that is why we are writing in parentheses. So now you will see this is my second data set. 21 entries are there, means 21 rows, 8 columns. These are my column name. Then the number of value each column contain, means 21 rows means 21 values I need in each column. That means it has not null value. Okay, or 21, the customer ID is filled with the 21 number. Okay, here you will see 2019, that means some missing values are present here, null values or missing values are there in these columns. Okay, so this is about how we can inspect our data set and loading the data set. Okay, in next we are going to learn how to selecting and filtering the data set and the cleaning of the data set. So see you in next video.